Hi, welcome back to the channel. 31.3 kilos down in 77 days. Everything is on track. Fasting is going well. I lost 5 kilos this week. We have a net loss of 0.3 kilos over the last 2 weeks. I'm happy. It was busy. I decided to use the knowledge I gathered over the past 5 years, and I'm in the process of writing an app in conjunction with some other people. The app is basically a fasting app. It's all about creating the system I'm currently using into an app where you are supported by a system to help you keep your goals in mind, keep track of your journey. The app 222fasting.com represents the number of days I fasted the first time. There's some more information on 222fasting.com. If you're interested, you can leave your name and your email there, and we will come back to you once the app is ready for launch. And even if you want to be a tester, just leave your name, your email there, and we will come back to you. It is AI assisted coaching about where you are in your fast. I'm quite excited. It is something special, and hopefully we're going to build something special and something useful for other people with the app. I will report back to you on next Thursday, and please have a nice day, and remember, it's your life, live it.